Yo guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get free Robux, and I'm going to give you two promo codes today. And one will give you 2 Robux, so it's a special code today. And as you can see, if we come to my avatar right here, you'll see that in the top right corner, you'll see that I have 194 Robux right now. I'm going to show you that this gives you Robux when you redeem for 5 Robux. So basically, what you want to do is you can join their Discord. You could talk to the owners and everything. Join giveaways for 5 Robux every hour. You can claim Robux. And guys, if this does help you, please hit that like button and subscribe. I'll be coming out with more videos for Rbxoffers. I'm gonna upload one, try to do one every day. So the promo codes, see all the ones down here. I think all the ones till Happy Chan work, but I'm not sure. So the first one we have that'll give you 2 Robux is code hub for life. Now you're supposed to spell life like that and redeem it. And 2 Robux. And if we refresh the page, 4 Robux. Money. Second promo code is money bags with a Z at the end for bags. Click to redeem. And yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys that this works. So you still see that. Now we go to claim Robux. And people are getting Robux right now. Redeem, okay. So we gotta join their group. So basically, the last group that they told you to join, leave that group. So then join this one. And you just gotta verify. Alright. Then, now what we do, since we've joined that, you wanna press OK. You're about to withdraw 5 Robux. You say OK. And processing your request, please wait. You wait. Your Robux were successfully rewarded. Now if you come back to here, refresh it, and look, I have 199. So I hope you guys enjoyed this thing, and I will be coming out with more promo codes in the future tomorrow, and I will try to do one every day. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.